Welcome to Echotraders. You're in the Echotrader training room, and we are looking at ES this morning with a possible breakout to the upside of toward the 161 on the chart. On the right-hand side, we have a target 2360 even. All right, and the market is pushing toward that. We're coming into our 930 area here. Find a pen. So we have almost 930, market re-challenging this top and our target area here and beyond, but one thing at a time, right? So the market is in this here brown box, and the resistance area of the brown box is roughly 58.75, and the market is attempting to get up there. Now, we have a countdown timer also on this here chart, so we'll look for new candle to come in roughly right here. All right, when the countdown timer runs out. So a nice push here. We want to see the new candle above the EMA, and we have a MACD at the bottom, and it's just not quite through the zero yet, so of course there's going to be lots of hesitation there. So entry area we like to see at 2356, so that may also get retested. But we'll look for the market to, it's pressing on above the swing here at 2358 and a quarter, so it's giving nice indication that it's willing to move up. Let me move all that stuff off of there. My name is Dale Elliott, and this is live, and we had mentioned your countdown timer here. And we'd like to see a new candle come in above here, and we might get our 2360 before that, but here's the top of the box. This is a lock-in money if we can get up into 2359. You know you're going to get a pullback here, roughly where this here white arrow is, right in here. In about 8 seconds, so we'll just hang on to the recording. Our target we had mentioned is your 161.8 to the upside and beyond. There's your new candle right where we had suggested that it come in. So this is great. And how can we be so accurate with where the new candle should come in? So that's a pullback on your regular candles. These are Heikin-Ashi candles, so they do give us pretty good pullback areas, predictability. So we'll see if the market can push to 2360.00 and beyond. It is now 930 plus. We'll come back, keep you informed. All right, so here we see that the ES has made it up into the money off area. And let me just grab a pen, if I may. And choose color. We use a black pen or blue pen or some darn thing, just for contrast. So we had talked about this here. Money off of your 127, the market did make it up in there, not making it to the 2360, so we like to call that the pecking order. So from the 127, the market has pulled back into, we talked about the entry area, 2356 even. So we did get that pullback. We'll see if we get a second kick at the can up to money off, so your pecking order is still viable, but that swing would take out your stops. All right, let's do a little update on our ES instrument here. We'll extend the 23.6 across a terrific entry, offsides 1250. Target area 2360.00. We'd like you to take some money at that area or lock in. So that's a money off area of the target of the 161.8. And then beyond, we look for beyond. So your next target for money off is right up in here. Now that is going to be resistance over here. You can see the numbers slightly in behind the candles at 2360.75. Market has to take out the high. So your high here earlier at 23.59 1/4. Let's see if it can do it. Okay, we took the liberty of extending the 61.8 horizontal across, stating that that is what we want to see hold as support to get back to the 161.8. We know that the market likes the golden ratio 61.8, and we know that the market also likes to trade that 61.8 to 161.8 for nice positive results more times than not. Okay, here we are once again. We have a countdown timer running here, and 5 seconds we should get a new candle. We'll look for a new candle to come in roughly right here area, and just slightly below that. That's fine too, right in there. There's nothing wrong with that, so that's pretty good. And the market just ran out of steam here, trying to get up and break out through that resistance area that the market had previously went to. So new candle, we're looking for a flat bottom candle, green, and to push up and finally get that target, maybe this next one. So we'll see. So the market has pulled up into your 141.4, and this is obviously another resistance area that we can get quite a pullback, and you'd look for your 76.4. And if you're using fibs, exact fib would be 78.6. That's okay too. You're looking for that to be testing support. Okay, so coming off of this here prior support area here, see if we can just extend that across. That would be your next place you'd want to see become your support. Remember, we had said your 61.8, that's this here horizontal here. And that is technically support, at least temporarily. And now we would like to see this here resistance that was double tops and multiple hits. We'd like to see that one become your next support. And then we want to see the top of the chocolate box. We want to see that one become your next support to get into the olive box way up in here to that target area. So one thing at a time. We don't want to get too far ahead of us. Target first, we got to get there, and then we'll worry about the rest after that. Okay, so we'll see if this year can take place. Market is putting in higher highs and higher lows, so we're in the right direction. We feel pretty good about the trade. Okay, so here we are, a little update. It is now 12 minutes after 10 a.m. and this year market is still just not really pushing it. Lots of whipsaw, and we expect whipsaw from 9:30 to quarter after 10, 10:30, and then we expect the market to possibly even continue in the larger time frame trend. So we haven't got that yet. We're looking for a pullback here to the 161.8, and the target area is 23.6. And the market is looking like it's attempting to get there. Now we put a number on here, 2358.75. That is the top of that chocolate box. We'd like that one to become your next support area. We had extended the bluish rectangle across. We wanted to see that one become your support, and it so far is attempting to become your new support. You can see the blue EMA is pointed to the upside end. We're almost to that money off target, so we want you to put some money in your pocket, part of your position, and then you'll always add on from below the EMA if you're going to add to your positions. So either take money or lock in money. It's always your choice. There's target achieved at 1012. Not sure why it says 1012. It should say 1014. But here we are getting pressed further to the upside, which is fine. Sorry, there's a little glitch there with the the price action, but we did manage to get to the 161.8, and we look for beyond. But we know that normally the 161.8 is an exhaustive area, so we could get a pullback. New candle to come in 25 seconds here. All right, so we'll look left, always look left, and prior candles bodies come in here, so we could get quite a large pullback here, but we know that it'll be about halfway of the body. So right now it's new candle to come in here. We'll probably lose some of that steam, so it'll probably come in slightly lower than the white arrow I just moved. Just slightly lower it did right in here, so just right in there. So not bad pullbacks, like the Heikin-Ashi for that aspect. Okay, here we are, 1045. We have mentioned your target to the 261.8 was at 23.63 even, right in here. Beautiful. Came to 63 and a quarter. I love it. Right to it. Yeah, right to it. So we had talked about the last little bit when I paused the recording, is that we wanted to see 2360 become your new support. We did get that, and it tested it, and then to target. So great on the ES here this morning. My name is Dale Elliott, and in the background you heard Dave Hinckley. And until next time, trade well, my friends.